Hello, today I'm at Vancouver International Airport, and in this video I will show you my journey taking the Canada line from the airport to downtown. I found this to be a very easy, straight ride to downtown that takes 30 minutes and is a great option if you're headed to the cruise pier. Right next to the luggage pickup, you'll start to see signs that are pointing towards train to the city. You'll want to follow that as the train station is just outside the airport. You will need to get to the 4th floor, and there's options that you can take stairs, and there's also an elevator if you have a ton of luggage. All right, we are now on the 4th floor. Let's continue to follow the signs. We are almost there. We just need to cross over this bridge. This is my first time in Vancouver. Let me know in the comments if you've visited. Here's a quick look at the train routes. For today's trip, we'll be taking the route which covers 2 zones, Sea Island and downtown. Now for ticketing. I did see 2 options that you could do, and one is to purchase a physical ticket, or you can tap your credit card to access the train and skip the line to the ticket booth. I will show you the steps to get a physical ticket. You first click on the ticket type selection. Select how many zones you'll be traveling through. For this trip, it's 2. Then you select how many tickets you need. Once you do that, you select Done and choose your format of pay. Our total for 2 adults, 2 children came out to $16.30 Canadian, which would be $11.68 US as the making of this video. Now compare that to a ride service like Uber or Lyft. There you're going to spend $35 to $50. All right, we have our tickets. Let's head to the platform. Here's a quick look at the platform. Now, you don't have to stress and rush. Trains arrive every 7 minutes. This trip is going to be a total of 12 stops. And here's our ride. Inside, you have options to stand with your luggage like I'm doing here, or you can sit with your luggage. Now all we got to do is sit back and take in the sights as we cruise through Vancouver. Bicycles are allowed on the train also and have a designated place. Small pets are also allowed on the train. As you get closer to downtown, I wanted to note that some stations are underground. Our last stop on this trip will be Waterfront Station. Once we exit, there's plenty of signage showing which way to go. All you have to do is just follow the signs. They do offer escalators and elevators if needed. If you're headed to the cruise pier, it will be about a 5 to 10 minute walk. Here's the pier. My cruise is tomorrow, but for now, I'm going to check out Vancouver. I'll tell you what, my first impressions are that this place is beautiful. I thought this sign was funny, and I'm glad I didn't encounter any of these geese. I hope this video helps you, and if you're headed to a cruise, I hope you have a great time. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, it helps the channel. And if you want to hang out more often, hit the subscribe button. Thank you as always for watching, and have a good one.
The next station is Marine